On today's tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to add or subtract different cells here in Microsoft Excel. It's really easy. Let's do it right now. Okay, so as you can see, I've made a real basic spreadsheet that just shows some sales data from a fake company. We've got the name of the associate, we've got the date, number of sales, and the totals that those sales equaled up to. Now, what I want to show you is how to add or subtract specific cells to get different information. So let's say we just want to know what Tom and Jill collectively made together in total sales. Now again, this can be applied to anything, but that's just the specific we are going to use. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to come over here because I want that data to show up over here in the total sales column. So first I'm going to click on the cell that I want the data to show up in, and then we're going to insert a formula. Now there's a couple of ways of doing this. You could actually come up here to your little formulas option, and as you can see there's a bunch of different formulas that you can use. I'm actually going to show you how to do this manually just because it's actually easier for me once you learn these. So once I have the cell selected, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click the equal symbol, and this automatically lets Excel know you're entering a formula. The next thing we're going to do is type in sum, and this indicates we want to sum different cells together. So I'm going to use this, and then I'm going to put a left parentheses, which indicates which cells you are going to start with to add together. Then I'm going to come up and select the first cell I want. So we want Tom. Let's do his total sales. And then we're going to do the plus symbol on our keyboard. And then I'm going to type in Jill's numbers down here. So that'd be the second number we want to add. And you can actually continue going from here. You can add multiple numbers together simply by adding more plus signs. But in this case, we just want to add those two together. So once we're done, I'm going to actually click that right parenthesis sign that closes up the formula, and then we're going to hit enter. As you can see, it added those two numbers together. Now this works exactly the same way for subtraction. So the formula is going to be the same, except that instead of the plus symbol, I'm going to come over here. I'm just going to hit the back space, and I'm going to put in a minus symbol from my keyboard. Once I click enter, as you can see, it now goes into a negative number because we're subtracting Jill's from Tom's number. So again, that's not really data we want. Let me change this back to that plus formula so we get some good data. Friends, that's the real basics of adding and subtracting. Again, you can get kind of creative with this. Make sure you come up here and check out all of your formula options. Remember that these things can really get complicated. So make sure you subscribe and check out our future Excel tutorials that we're making right now. We're going to be releasing those really soon. Also hit that thumbs up button if this one's helped. It lets us know we're making good videos. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you again on the next one.